guys, Fx Sniper speaking. Just wanted to share the new system. The system is for Nasdaq and volatility 75. This is how it works. There's two lines right here. It's support and resistance lines. When the trend goes out of the lines, it gives you a sell signal just right there. So you sell, you sell, you sell, and it shows here you can successfully sell, and down here it goes out of the line again and gives you a buy signal. That's when you can buy, and you can see you can snipe it right here, guys. You can snipe it right here and be safe and stay safe, no losses, nothing. And then you buy, and it also showed me that it's gonna have a Nasdaq is gonna have a big buy right here. So it showed me right here, it gave me a signal to buy again. So I bought, then it went up, and it gave me a sell signal right there, and I didn't sell, but it gave me a signal to sell, and it sold. For real, it sold. So yeah, and it also shows you down here, that's your second confirmation that it's a buy. When it changes color, you see, when it changes color to yellow, it gave me a signal to sell, and it sold. For real, it sold. So yeah, and it also shows you down here, that's your second confirmation that it's a buy. When it changes color, you see, when it changes color to yellow, that means it's gonna buy successfully, and when it changes color to red, it's gonna sell successfully, as you can see here and here. Yeah, that's how it works, guys. That's how it works, and I'm eating because of this system, and I hope you, when you get it, you eat as well as me. From Sniper, we out. Guys, it's FxSniper24 right now. Quickly, I want to quickly show you how to set up the settings that I showed. So what you're gonna do is that apply every thing you want to trade, every currency pair, every indexes. So what happens is that normally you just right click, you go to your template, and then you click there, and then automatically there's the system. So there's been a slight updates over some time since the market is changing. So right now, what I want you to do now is go to this second indicator, and right here I want you to put it on -14. Yeah, -14. And then after that, just close, and that will remove the X's that are unwanted, right? And then you go here on save, and still loading. Okay, you just click here, and then you click on save. Yes, you would like to change. So every single what do you call this, currency pair, you just click on this, and then it will never have those X's, unwanted X's, right? So there's another slight change that I want you to do. This is for Nasdaq, right? Specifically for Nasdaq. Look at this, guys. Once I click on Nasdaq, click on. So the problem is these two lines are together. You see, so it's not giving you a correct signal. So what you do is that you go to indicators again. You go to the first one. And click on edit. Division. It's 1, okay. It's 1,5. Division 1,5, right, guys? Got that. So the second one, it's already clicked, so you just press on close, and there is it, guys. You see, it's perfectly aligned. So what you do is that right now you just go on save template, and then
right now you just write your own thing right now. You can write your name. I prefer writing Nasdaq right now because it's for specifically for Nasdaq. So this one I'm just gonna click on, just gonna name it Nasdaq because I'm using it on Nasdaq. So yeah, that's all the settings you need to do right now. Those are the settings right now. I'm about to show you how to use it right now to master it. Okay guys, peace. Hey guys, Fx Sniper speaking right now. Hope you're winning. Just wanted to make you win more, you know. Just giving you sniper entries, you know, how to get those sniper entries. Some of you all requested to get them videos, you know. So this is how it works, guys. Let's say you find this, right? You find this down below. These are called zones, right? These are zones. So it's a sell zone, it's a buy zone, right? So you look at that first. So yeah, let's say we start here, right? We're in a buy zone right now. So what we do is that we look at this. We look at this. We look at this. You see, the graph is inside these two lines, right? If the graph hits the bottom line, it's a buy. If the graph hits the top line, it's a sell. So as I said, I got like updates. I got updates that can help you modify the system just like here. So these two lines should always be like this. If your lines are not like this, so you didn't get the system from me, you should consult me and yeah, we can work something out. So this is how it works, right? These two lines right here, guys. You look at these two lines and then you get the arrow, right? If you get the arrow, you wait for the candle to close first, man. And it has to close to the predicted direction. Let's say on a buy, you see this candlestick closed on a buy, guys. So you always have to keep that in mind, that the candlestick has to close on the predicted direction. If this one didn't close on a buy, this one has to close on a buy to confirm that buy entry. So yeah, same goes to every trade you take, guys. Just like here, guys. Look at this. It's on a sell, right? It's still on a buy, and it's giving you a sell entry signal. So you look down below, and there's the zone. It's a sell zone, guys. So when you find this on a buy, you have to wait for a sell candle. A sell candle, then that's when you enter, guys. So yeah, I hope you got that. Anything else, please let me know, man. Anything else you need help with, let me know. Peace.